Okay, so I am working in Kids Play Space Adventure styled.doc. I have got the document looking quite nice, although I'm not a big fan of this underline and actually the color of this header text, so I'm going to right click on slide titles and go modify. I'm going to remove the underline and maybe just choose a slightly darker color. Okay, I think that looks a lot better. And I now feel like my document is ready to go into PowerPoint, so all I need to do is save it, and then very important, I need to close this document. So I click close, and now when I'm in PowerPoint, I have a new blank presentation, and I just go File, Open. And in this drop-down menu in the bottom corner, you will probably see it say All PowerPoint Presentations. What you want to do is click the down arrow and go to All Outlines. Any version of Microsoft Word will work fine with PowerPoint 2007, so that's not a problem. And I just picked the file that I want to use, which is Kids Play Space Adventure style.doc. Open it, and PowerPoint will do the rest. So as you can see, each slide has the title, which was the first list level. And you can also see that PowerPoint has been clever enough to actually put the titles into different text boxes as the rest of the text. So if you want to now make some further edits, you can. Unfortunately, it won't recognize the line height, that the line spacing that you put in Microsoft Word. So you might want to click on this and then, for example, just increase the line spacing to 1.5. If you don't want the bullets, they can just be backspaced and things like that. So those are small finishing touches that you can do, but this will save you a lot of time if you've got a ton of text. The alternative to this is for each and every individual slide to click New Slide and then to type it in and then format it. Or alternatively, you can just take a slide, right click it, copy, paste, and then you just go in and type over things. So, do you like aliens? And we could do the same here. I prefer to work first in Microsoft Word because it is a word processor, so it's much better with pretty much any kind of thing that you can do with text. And that's it. That is how you first do your text and format it in Microsoft Word and then bring it into PowerPoint. The one other thing I wanted to just show you was that the advantage of this, if you suddenly decide you see your text come in, maybe you've got a background and you don't think the text really looks good on it, well, you can just get rid of this presentation. Go back to your Word doc, and it's ready. Just a case of 1 or 2 clicks to change the color of this text. Maybe we want this orange. There you go. Just click Save. And we just do it again. So now we've got a completely different color. And you can imagine if you were working with 100 slides, this could really make it a lot easier to get all of the stuff together. One word of caution though, you want to make sure that you get your text exactly the way you want it formatted before you start putting in animations and images and all kinds of other things, because whenever you use this function to import text from Microsoft Word, it's going to create a new presentation and put it in there. You can't take the text and put it into an existing presentation. So that's just one thing that you've got to bear in mind.